Hello students, in this video we will see about the transient analysis problem. So that problem is belongs to RLC series circuit. Okay. So now what is the statement of the problem? What we have to find out, we will see. In the network shown in below figure, the switch is closed at t is equal to 0. Determine I comma di by dt comma d square I by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus. So this problem is belongs to RLC circuit. So we have to find the current I di by dt d square I by dt square at the condition is time t is equal to 0 plus. After just closing the switch, we have to find out these values. So these three values we have to find out. So already we have seen. So any network, any circuit or any network consisting of inductor in series, the I value will be 0 always. I value current flowing through this value will be 0. I value is 0. Since inductor is a open circuit, then current flowing through this circuit will be 0. Okay. So we can write I value is equal to 0 by seeing inductor is connected in series. So blindly we can write so I value is 0. Okay. So di by dt, how we will find out? Apply KVL to the loop and find out the di by dt. Okay. So these are the values we have to find out, and we will see the solution of the problem. So I value is since it is open circuit, I value will be 0. Since no current flow through this inductor at t is equal to 0 minus implies that I of 0 plus equal to I of 0 minus equal to 0. So after just closing the switch, the current flowing through the inductor is 0. Now apply KVL to this loop. So di by r in Ri. So first we will start from R into I. Next one, what is the inductor voltage? L into di by dt. So what is the current? What is the voltage across the capacitors? 1 by C integral 0 to t I dt into dt equal to 10. So voltage source is 10. So here voltage across this I 1 by C integral I dt. So we are considering as a Vc of t equal to 0. Vc of t. So Vc of t, voltage across the capacitor, right? Now so putting I is equal to 0 plus in equation, so we get so R into I of 0 plus, wherever I is there, just we have to substitute I of 0 plus. So wherever I is there, what we have to do? We have to substitute I of 0. That's it. Just to substitute I of 0 plus, we will get this equation. R into I of 0 plus equal plus L into di by di of 0 plus by dt plus V of 0 plus equal to 10. So substitute I of 0 plus value in this case. So I of 0 plus is 0. I of 0 plus is 0. L into di by di of 0 plus by dt. So V of C also equal to 0. So voltage across the capacitor at just closing the switch is 0 here. So finally you will get di of 0 plus by dt equal to 10 by L. Okay, L value is equal to 1 Henry. That's what 10 amperes per second. So next one, d square I by dt square you have to find out. D square I by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus, that means d square I of 0 plus by dt square, what will be the value? R into di by dt plus L into d square I by dt square plus 1 I by I of t by c is equal to 0. Substitute these values. So after differentiating the equation, we will get that expression. So just you substitute the values. What is the di by dt? That means di of 0 plus by dt. So plus L into d square I by dt square. D square I of 0 plus by dt square value we don't know. So that value we are going to find out by using this expression. Okay. Next one, I of 0 plus value is 0. So entire value will be 0. Okay. So what is the answer? We will see. So this value is 0. So this value we will find out, and di of 0 plus by dt value is 10. So substitute the values in this expression, find that one. So just substituting, we are substituting the values. R into 10 plus L into d square I by d square I of 0 plus by dt square plus 0 by c is equal to 0. So 100 plus d square I by d square I of 0 plus by dt square equal to 0. So finally what is the answer is, so minus 100 amperes per second square. So d square I of 0 plus by dt square equal to minus 100 amperes per second square. Suppose if they ask you to find out d cube I of 0 plus by dt cube. So dt cube we have to find out by differentiating this expression with t one more time. So differentiate expression with respect to t one more time, and you can find out d cube I of 0 plus by dt cube. So that is the extra thing for you. Yeah. So now we will move to the another problem. So this type of problems are very important for you for examinations. Refer the circuit shown in figure. So this figure we have to refer, and the switch K is changed from position 1 to position 2 at t is equal to 0. The steady state condition having been reached at position 1. Find the values of I, this di by dt, d square I by dt square t is equal to 0 plus. So where is the steady state? Steady state means, so we have to consider t value is infinite. T steady state condition, t is equal to infinite. So in this case, inductor acts as a short circuit. So here the circuit will be like this. So in this first condition at position 1, so the switch is position 1, so circuit will be like this. So what is the I of 0 plus? So inductor acts as a short circuit here. So inductor, how it is connected, you can see inductor acts as a short circuit. Apply KVL to this entire loop. So what we can get, 20 divided by 10. So 20 divided by 10 you will get. So that is equal to 2 amperes. Okay, next one, di by dt value, how we will find out. Di by dt value, how we will find out. Now the switch is changed from position 1 to position 2. Position 1 to position 2. The position 1 to position 2. Now and thus this is only circuit. Now we have circuit is like this. Now we have circuit is this one. So apply KVL to this loop, KVL. R into I plus L into di by dt plus 1 by C integral I dt equal to 0. So substitute the values in that equation at t is equal to 0 plus. So substitute and find out di of 0 plus by dt. Okay, so we'll see this entire thing. So inductor current is 2 amperes and at t is equal to 0 plus capacitor act as a short circuit. So when short circuit voltage across capacitor will be 0. So this relation we have to remember. This is a very important relation. At t is equal to 0 plus, so capacitor C acts as a short circuit. At t is equal to 0 plus, inductor acts as a open circuit. But when steady state will be reached at t is equal to infinite. Okay, so at infinite, inductor acts as a short circuit. That's what the current flowing through this inductor will be 2 amperes. So here we have this expression. Here we have this expression. At t is equal to 0 plus, it becomes like this. Then di of 0 plus by dt is equal to, so 20 minus 20 amperes per second we will get. Just substitute what is the I of 0 plus. So what is the Vc? So I of 0 plus is 2 and Vc is Vc of 0 plus is 0. So 20 plus di of 0 plus by dt is equal to 0 we will get after simplifying. So finally we can get di of 0 plus by dt is equal to minus 20 amperes per second square. Now, so what is the another value is di of 0 plus divided by dt square we have to find out. So this value we have to find out. How we will find out is, so differentiate this expression one more time. Differentiate the expression with respect to t. So r into di of t by dt square plus L into d square I by dt square plus the differentiation of Vc. So that is the differentiation of 1 by C integral I dt. So 1 by C into I of 0 plus will get. So here differentiation of Vc. So substitute the values and find out the this one d square I of 0 plus by dt square we can find out. Okay. So now differentiate the equation with respect to t. R into dI by dt plus L into d square I by dt square plus 1 I by C equal to 0. So t is equal to 0 plus, t is equal to 0 plus we get equation, above equation like R into di of 0 plus by dt plus L into di square I by d square I of 0 plus by dt square. Next plus I of 0 plus by C. Okay. So now d square I of 0 plus by dt square equal to minus 2 into 10 power 6 amperes per second square. So this is the answer for this one. So like this we have to do all the problems. So sometimes capacitor and inductor will be interchanged. So here in place of capacitor, so inductor will come here. So in place of inductor, capacitor will be interchanged. So in that case also we have to find out the find out the values of I di by dt, d square I by dt square, or t is equal to 0 plus. So interchange. So this type of problems we can expect in your examination. Please practice these problems. Okay, thank you.